This lecture is also about contractions. It was the part one. Today it's going to be the part two. It's a masterclass about contractions. Contractions actually are the combination of two words which makes your conversation informal, casual, conversational. Don't waste your time. Write down the sentences and try to practice them. Here we go.
I'm feeling great today.
He's playing football.
He's playing football.
She is coming to party.
It's a beautiful weather today.
Very good morning, guys and girls. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Today's lecture is in the sequence of yesterday's lecture. They're connected, actually. It was the part one. Today it's going to be the part two. This lecture is also about contractions and reductions, actually. There are a few reductions which we have also involved or included in today's class. It's a master class about contractions. Yesterday, we studied about contractions, their pronunciation, their full forms and short forms. Today, we are going to use them in sentences. Contractions actually are the combination of two words by omitting one letter and including apostrophe instead, and making your conversation shorter and quicker. It's going to be a very interesting lecture because you will come to know the use of these contractions in sentences. You know, there are lots of favorite contractions which makes your conversation informal, casual, conversational. They're going to help you a lot in spoken English. They're outstanding. You gotta learn them and don't waste your time. Write down the sentences and try to practice them in your day-to-day conversations. Here we go. So, dear friends, contractions make our understanding about language, improve our understanding rather, and we start knowing about the speakers of native language. So, the native speakers can be understood by knowing contractions. Sometimes you can speak very good English, but you can't listen properly when it's spoken by the native speakers. So it is going to help you out it is going to increase your understanding of the native speakers, these contractions. So we're going to start it right now. The first contraction which we will start with is going to start with I'm, and the full form is I am. Right, make your sentence by using it.
I'm feeling great today.
I'm feeling great today. Shabash. The full form is you are, and the short form is you're.
You are my best friend.
You are my best friend. You my bestie. Very good. His. That's a short form. The full form is he is. Yes, please.
He's playing football.
He's playing football. She's
coming to game. She is coming to party.
Right, she's coming to party.
It's a beautiful weather today.
It's beautiful weather today. We are
going to the mall.
We are going to the mall. They are there.
They are going to the Lahore.
They are going to
Lahore.
Okay, they are coming to Lahore. I've
already eaten.
I've already eaten. Very good. You've.
You've done a great job.
You've done a great job. Fantastic. We've.
We've finished our project.
We've finished our project. They've.
They've been waiting for hours.
They've been waiting for hours. Okay. He would and he had. He had
already arrived when I left.
He had already arrived when I left. यहाँ had की सूरत में इस्तेमाल किया गया है. He had. She had and she would.
She'd love to visit London.
She'd love to visit London. It would and it had. It did.
It would be nice to meet you.
It would be nice to meet you. You would and you had. You'd.
You'd enjoy this book.
You'd enjoy this book. We had and we would. We'd.
We'd better leave today.
We'd better
leave early.
We'd better leave early. बेहतर है हम जल्दी चले जाएं. They had and they would they'd
They'd plan everything.
in advance. They'd plan everything in advance. All right. They would के साथ choose किया है इन्होंने. Is not, isn't.
This isn't my book.
This isn't my book. Are not, aren't.
They aren't at home.
They aren't at home. Was not, wasn't.
He wasn't feeling well.
He wasn't feeling well. Were not, weren't.
We weren't invited to the event.
We weren't invited to the event. Have not, haven't.
I haven't finished my homework.
I haven't finished my homework yet. Has not, hasn't.
She hasn't called me yet.
She hasn't called me yet. Had not, hadn't.
They hadn't met before.
They hadn't met before. Thank you. Will not, won't.
She won't be late.
She won't be late. Very good. Would not, wouldn't.
They wouldn't call her in her party.
They wouldn't call her
In her party.
in a party. Do not, don't.
I don't like spicy food.
You don't like spicy food. Great. Does not, doesn't.
He doesn't like the answer.
He doesn't like the answer. Did not, didn't.
They didn't come to the party.
They didn't come to the party. Cannot, can't.
I can't swim.
I can't swim. Americans speak it like can't, and British can't. Right. Could not, couldn't.
She couldn't lift the box.
She couldn't lift the box. Shabash. Should not, shouldn't.
You shouldn't be rude.
You shouldn't be rude. Very nice. Thank you. Must not, mustn't.
You mustn't touch the fire.
You mustn't touch the fire. Great.
I'll call you later.
I'll call you later. You will.
You'll love this movie.
You'll love this movie. He will.
He'll finish his work soon.
He'll finish his work soon. She will.
She'll bring some snacks.
She'll bring some snacks. It will. It'll.
It'll rain later today.
It'll rain later today. We'll.
We'll call you when we arrive.
We'll call you when we arrive. They will.
They'll meet us at the station.
They'll meet at the station. Thank you. Let's.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk. Fantastic. That's.
That's great idea.
That's a great idea. Who is, whose? Who is and who has? Whose?
Who's knocking at the door?
Who's knocking at the door? What is what's?
What's your name?
What's your name? And where is where's?
Where's my phone?
Where's my phone? Where's my cell phone? When is when's?
When's your birthday?
When's your birthday? Today. Oh, happy birthday to you. Right. Why is why's?
Why is she upset?
Why is she absent? How is or how has how's?
How's your day going?
How's your day going? Thank you. Now a few reductions. Going to gonna.
I'm gonna call you later.
I'm gonna call you later. Want to wanna.
I wanna eat pizza.
I wanna eat pizza in the morning. Oh my God. Got to and got a gotta.
I gotta go now.
I gotta go now. Now there is a contraction ain't, A-I-N apostrophe T. Am not, is not, are not, has not, have not. Low profile, spoken English expression, contraction or colloquial expression rather. Okay, so ain't.
She ain't coming today.
She ain't, she isn't ho jayega. I ain't coming today, तो फिर I am not हो जाएगा. शाबाश. She ain't coming today. Let me
Let me check
that for you.
Let me check that out for you. Right, let me. Give me, gimme.
Give me a second.
Gimme, gimme.
Give me a second. Give me a second.
Give me a second. Shabash. Give me, gimme. Kind of, kinda.
It's kinda cold outside.
It's kind of cold outside. Out of, outer.
I'm out of money.
I'm out of money. फारिग हो गया, पैसे नहीं है पास. Sort of, sorta, sort of, sorta.
It's sort of difficult.
It's sort of difficult. Shabash. Come on, come on.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go. Yeah.
You gotta be careful.
You gotta be careful. Ought to, oughta.
You ought to apologize.
You oughta apologize. You all yell.
Y'all are welcome to join.
You all are welcome to join. It is tis and it is its.
'Tis
Right.
the season to be jolly.
Sorry?
'Tis the season to be jolly.
Tis a season to be jolly. Right, Shabash. It was.
It was a cold winter night.
It was a cold winter night. Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Sorry?
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Yes, ma'am, I understand. And the last one is cause. And the sentence would be, I'm late because of traffic. I'm late because of traffic. So that's it, my dear friends. Thank you very much indeed for participation in this exclusive exercise of contractions, in which we didn't understand the contractions only, the short forms, the full forms, and their usage in sentences. God bless you all. Thank you very much for participating in this wonderful exercise.